Scenes setting. This section allows the user to use different operations that have been set in a single control. To enter the Scenes page, click on the icon on the bottom of the home page. Here it is possible to create or modify the scenarios. To create a new scenario, select New in the upper right corner of the screen. On Android smartphones, press on the right pointer on the right of the new scenario. Then, type the name of the environment that you want to create in the ID room box. For example, going out. Press Enter to confirm the name. On iOS smartphones, type the name of the scenario that you want to create in the ID room box. For example, going out. Press Enter to confirm the name. Click on the Add icon and all the devices of the database will be shown. For example, lights, rolling shutters, etc. Select those that you want to add to the scenario that you are creating, and they will turn from white to gray. Click on the Scenes icon. Click on the pointer on the right of the scenario that has just been created, and the devices that have been added to it will be shown. With the controls on the bottom part of the screen, select the devices one by one and choose the action that the scenario will do on a specific device. Click on the icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then click on Scenes. Click on the name that has been given to the scenario. A pop-up will ask us if we want to enable the selected scenario. Press Yes and check if the scenario is working properly.